Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you? Hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. I am Ahmadullah Hassan, senior teacher, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. Dear student, today I will discuss some important problems of your general math exercise 11.2. So let's start our topic. Problem 23, the ratio of the side of a triangle 5:12:13 and the perimeter is 30 centimeter. Number 1, draw the triangle and write down the type of a triangle with respect to the angles. Given that the perimeter is equal to 30 centimeter and the three sides of the ratio of this triangle are 5:12:13. So let 5x, 12x, 13x be the sides of a triangle. So the sum of the three sides of the triangle is equal to this perimeter. So that 5x plus 12x plus 13x equal to 30. This equal to 30x equal to, this implies 30x equal to 30, x equal to 30 divided by 30. X equal to 1 centimeter. If we put x equal to 1 centimeter in 5x, 12x and 13x, then we will get the required side of this triangle. So therefore the required side of the triangle, sides of the angle is 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Now draw the triangle and write down the type of the triangle with respect to this angle. Now draw a triangle. This is AC equal to 13 centimeter, BC equal to 12 centimeter and AB equal to 5 centimeter. So this is right angle. So since AC square equal to 13 square, this equal to 169 equal to 144 plus 25, this equal to 12 square plus 5 square. 12 that means BC square, 5 that means AB square. So AC square equal to BC square plus AB square. Here AC is hypotenuse, AB is perpendicular and BC is base. So the triangle satisfies the Pythagorean theorem. Therefore triangle ABC satisfied the Pythagorean theorem. So this triangle represent this triangle represent a right angle triangle. This is answer. Okay. Number 2, determine the area of a square drawn with the diagonals of a rectangle, where the length of the rectangle is the largest side of the triangle and the breadth of the rectangle is the smallest side of the triangle. So the length of the rectangle is 13 centimeter, because 13 centimeter is the largest side of this triangle. So let length of the rectangle is 13 centimeter. Length of the rectangle is 13 centimeter, and the breadth of the rectangle is 5 centimeter, because 5 is the smallest side of this triangle. So 5 is the breadth of this rectangle. So find out the value of the diagonal of this rectangle. So now from this figure, from this figure, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. This equal to 5 square plus 13 square. 25 plus 169. This equal to 196. So AC square. Therefore AC equal to root over 196. This is the diagonal of this rectangle. Okay. Now look, determine the area of the square drawn with the diagonal of a rectangle. Now draw a figure of square with the help of this rectangular diagonal. So this is AC equal to root over 196. These sides are same. AC equal to root over 196. Root over 196. So the area of this square. So the area of the square is root over AC square. This is equal to root over 196 whole square equal to 196 SQ centimeter. This is answer. Number 3, if the length is increased by 10% and the breadth is increased by 20%, what will be the percentage of increase of the area? So from 2, the length of the rectangle is 13 centimeter. The length of the rectangle is 13 centimeter and the breadth of the rectangle is 5 centimeter. The breadth of the rectangle is 5 centimeter. So therefore the area of the rectangle is 13 into 5. This equal to 65 SQ square centimeter. Okay. Now look, if if the length is increased by 10%, so there if the length is increased by 10%, then the new length will be, if the length is increased by 10%, then this length is 13 plus 13 of 10% will be 13 plus 13 of 10%. So this equal to 13 plus 13 into 10 divided by 100. This equal to 143 divided by 10 centimeter. Okay. If the breadth is increased by 20%, then the new breadth will be 5 plus 5 of 20%. This equal to 5 plus 5 into 20 divided by 100. This equal to 5 plus 1. This equal to 6 centimeter. So therefore our new area is, therefore new area of rectangle, the new area of the rectangle is into 6 centimeter. So this equal to 85.8 centimeter, square centimeter. Sorry, square centimeter. So the increases area, therefore the increases area is 85.8 minus 65 SQ centimeter. This equal to 20.8 square centimeter. So therefore the rate of increased area is total increases area divided by initial area into 100%. So total increases area হচ্ছে this 20.8, initial area 65 into 100%. So this equal to 32%. This equal to 32%. Answer.